friends, welcome back to Sparkle with Jyoti. So today's video is going to be yet another update on the corona situation which is going on all around the world. And just to state the facts, as of now, as of today, we have already 20,000 cases registered, and we have around 2,000 to 2,600, to be exact, is 2,642 people are already dead, unfortunately. And also we have out of that, like, we have 1,000 people who have recovered, but still 400 people are critical. So this is this news is not to be this news is not to be proud of or something, but cases are increasing, and there is no lockdown imposed yet. I don't think so it happening anytime in the future. And the shops are still open, the restaurants are still open, but what they have done is that, like, for example, if 3 chairs are placed, then they have removed 1 chair in between, so that way they have maintained social distance in the restaurants. And everything else is open. Definitely, as I said last time, the gyms are closed, the schools were closed. There were online schooling going on, but this week itself they have started the schools, and they have asked the parents to send the kids to school. The parents are definitely hesitant, but by Swedish law and by the school, like the institution of education, you have to send. There is no other option. You need to send your kids to the school. If your child is above 7 years of age, then you need to send your child to school if the child is healthy. Okay, if the child is sick or having any kind of flu or cold or cough, then you can keep your child at home, but otherwise by law, by Swedish law, you have to send your child to school. So that is what is going on. And as I said last time, the Easter weekend, after that people really started coming out because the weather is amazing. Just last 2 days it is raining, but previously the entire week we had amazing weather, like 16 to 17 degrees, almost 20 degrees. And the people in Sweden who have been in winter, in dark winter for 6-7 months, you know, I don't know how to stop them from coming out. So yeah, this is happening. People are roaming freely. There have been like, if you go to the main places like here, Kungsports, Plaston or Brunnsbacken, you can see crowds and you can see a lot of people roaming around. So yeah, that's what is happening on that front. And on another front, we just received news today that Volvo Cars is also going to fire people, and the percentage being 10%, which is very high. And it's a very unfortunate news, and we don't know the specifics or any details whatsoever, but we will come to know step by step. And if I come to know any updates or any progress on that, I will definitely update you on this particular platform. Therefore the channel is here to update you with all the latest information about Sweden and what is going on here. So as of now, they have just said that they are going to do that. It's starting from tomorrow, and they're going to announce it by September. So we have no idea who is on the list and what is going to happen. So a lot of uncertainty is there in the atmosphere right now. And yeah, job losses is going on, not only in Sweden, I think in all the places around the world. And I don't think so any sector is saved. Every sector, let it be manufacturing or restaurants or grocery shops, or even there is a big amusement park, Liseberg, here in Gothenburg, which is also affected. Even there people are getting fired. So a lot of things are happening. But I just wanted to update you that the biggest company, I think 99% of the people are directly or indirectly you know, employed by Volvo. And if they have taken this action, then you know, we have to think about the future. So I don't want to scare you, I don't want to sound negative, but just wanted to tell you this fact and the updated news. So hopefully things will get better, and whoever will lose their job, they will definitely get. When I get more updates, I will definitely update you. And as of now, that's it. That is the news what I wanted to share with you. Just wanted to pass all the positivity and all the positive energy to you. Stay safe, stay at home. Hopefully we will come out of this crisis, you know, with lot of positive energy and good motivation, and things will get better hopefully. So we just have to hope and keep doing our work. That is what is in our hands. So yes guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye, take care.